A man woke up by the river to find a hole through his palm. Strangely, he felt no pain at all. Looking in a mirror, he discovered a bullet wound in his chest. At the hospital, doctors told him he was already dead. When they wanted to run more tests, he panicked and bolted out of there. Back home, even his dog barked at him like crazy. Nick had no time to worry about the dog's reaction. He rushed to his bedroom, stripped off his clothes, and used tweezers to extract the bullet casing still lodged in his body. After bandaging his wounds, he went to pick up his kids from school. His wife, seeing how ravenous Nick looked, headed to the kitchen to make dinner. At the table, Nick devoured his food like a wild animal, shocking everyone. Suddenly, he started throwing up. Seeing their horrified faces, Nick retreated to the couch to rest. His little daughter came over, wanting a hug. Nick held her tenderly, but the gnawing hunger in his gut made him lose control. He squeezed her tighter and tighter until, at the last second, he snapped back to his senses. He quickly let go and sent her to her room. Nick then went to see a doctor friend who thought Nick was a medical miracle. No vital signs, yet still walking around. The doctor wanted to take him to an underground research facility, but Nick wasn't about to become anyone's lab rat. He flat out refused. Just then, someone called Nick to warn him they'd been busted. Turns out Nick, a cop, was actually working undercover. He went to meet his informant to verify the tip, but another man showed up, demanding to know why Nick had given them bad intel. Nick hadn't expected his department to raid the place. As they argued over who was to blame, the man suddenly stabbed Nick from behind. But Nick, his face twisted with rage, grabbed the guy and sank his teeth into the man's arm. The terrified man ran off. After greedily swallowing the flesh, Nick sat there in disbelief at what he'd just done. He went to the river to clear his head, only to notice his palm itching like crazy. When he unwrapped the bandage, the wound had completely healed. This is from the movie Sticks.